Hey there, I'm Helen, founder and head designer of HCG Corporate Designs, a branding and web design agency serving clients from different industries, from different countries since 2010. And today, in this short video, I'll walk you through a website template that we built specifically for converting website visitors into high-quality leads with a special high-converting multi-step form that I will show you in a bit. But let's give it a scroll. Here we have the welcome section with a fancy animated call to action button. As you see, we have these beautiful section borders that give the website a very elegant look and feel. Also here. Then we have a beautiful milestone section that's basically an endless loop. Here you can place achievements or awards or something like that, for example. And here at the bottom of every single page on this website, we have this get a free quote section with the high converting multi-step form. Let's check it out. So what kind of travel experience are you interested in? Let's say, I don't know, camping and party, let's say. Then I click on next. When do you want to start your trip? Let's say, I don't know, March. Oh no, let's do September 10th, 2025. The website visitor can choose between either I want to start my journey on the exact date I picked here, or I'm flexible for up to ±7 days around the date I picked, or I'm totally flexible. Let's say I'm a bit flexible. How long do I want to travel? Let's say 1 week. Next, how many people are traveling, including yourself? Let's say I'm traveling with a bunch of friends, 5 people. Is there anything else you want to tell us? So, whatever. First name, last name, email address, and phone number. So, with this multi-step form, this makes the website visitor engage with your website much more. As you've just seen, it makes them think like, oh, okay, what do I really want in particular? So that means you as a business owner don't get a request like, I want to book a holiday. No, with this website and with this multi-step form, you will get important details from the website visitor that allow you to tailor your offer to the specific needs of people. Your website visitor will also feel seen, heard, and valued much more as a potential customer. All of that makes your offer much more attractive to your website visitor, who will more likely book with you than with your competitors, of course. In the footer, you can see social media integration and some placeholder pages for legal stuff like privacy policy, disclaimer, accessibility statement, etc. Let me open the menu. Here we have the hamburger menu. Here you see again the call to action button, and we have some other pages as well. We also have a blog integrated, a blog system integrated into that website, as you can see. We have some nice destinations, all with the same look and feel, and with these nice section borders that are really very beautiful. And great imagery. Who doesn't want to spend a night there, huh? Okay. Let's go to sustainability. This is, I think, my favorite image. Okay, let's go back to the starting page. Okay, so this travel experience website with high converting multi-step form on in the footer of every single page is a web design template that we built as a Wix partner on Wix Studio, and you can buy this very template on the Wix Studio marketplace or simply by dropping us a message here below the video. And of course, this website is fully responsive for desktop, tablet, and mobile for all devices. It was built with EU accessibility regulations in mind. It passed all the checks, don't worry. So that's something that not only boosts your image, but also your website's Google ranking when you work with this accessibility. This website is fully editable. You can change text, colors, photos, videos, even the site structure yourself. And you can start right away after buying it and collect hot leads for your travel business with this high converting multi-step form in the footer of every single page on that website. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll enjoy even more working with this website template.